What is the best type of funnel for your business? What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you like my 5 top funnels that you can use to promote your services, your offers, your products, and start bringing more people, more sales into your business, right? So these type of funnels, they're not the only one. There are different other type of funnel that you can start using, but what I have experienced and also what I've seen in the market, these are the 5 top funnels that most businesses use. And these are an e-commerce funnel, a lead generation funnel, a webinar funnel, a application or call funnel, and also a email funnel. And I'm going to explain you each of these funnels so you can understand a little bit better how they work and if they are ideal for your situation. So if you find valuable what I'm going to share with you in this video, guys, and if you want us to do this for you, create a funnel for your business, you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call and just have a small conversation with me or with one of my team members. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. And the first type of funnel that we have is an e-commerce funnel. And this is pretty simple, guys. So an e-commerce funnel, the main goal is to get a sale and to acquire a customer. And you can use this funnel for either a physical or a digital product, okay? You can use it, the concept remains the same. So how it works, okay? The main goal of this funnel is to basically to increase your average order value. So let's say that you have a winning product in your online store. Let's say that you are selling coffee, right? And you have one coffee that is your best selling product. You can create a sales page for that product and you can start promoting this product, and when a person wants to buy the product, they're gonna go to the order form, right? They're gonna put the personal information, the credit card information, and you can offer them like an order bump. Hey, get this other bag of coffee for just $5. Okay, simple. You're increasing your average order value in the order page. The person might get it or might not, no problem, because they're gonna continue with the sales process. Now let's say that this person doesn't get this order bump. No worries, when this person buy the bag, the simple bag of coffee, they're gonna purchase the bag, but you're gonna send them to an upsell or one-time offer. In this one-time offer, hey, you're gonna say something like this: hey, we have this premium bag that has more coffee and is more high quality than the ones that you already have, and we're gonna sell it for you for $20. Let's say that normally this bag costs $30, but just because that person is at that moment and that is a specific and ideal moment where he's buying that product, he might say, oh my God, it's pretty good. I saw this bag, I really like it, but it was expensive, but I can get it right here for just $20. So instead of getting that person just a simple bag of coffee, that person is gonna get the premium bag because you offer that person a one-time offer and upsells during the sales process. This way, you're gonna be increasing your average order value. Okay, that is the main goal of an e-commerce funnel and how it works in this real quick example, right? So we have the first one, an e-commerce funnel. Now, the other type of funnel that we have is a lead generation funnel. And the main goal of this funnel is to generate leads. And the way that it works is pretty simple. And I actually use it a lot because for my type of business, I'm always generating leads and more leads, right? And yeah, this is pretty simple. Let's say that you have a training course, or let's say that you have a coaching program. Okay, what you can create is a lead generation funnel, okay? To start moving the person to one step to another until this person buys your coaching program, let's say. So what you can offer is a lead magnet, something for free, something that is valuable for your audience, okay? You can offer something for free in exchange for that person personal information. It can be a phone number, an email address. I prefer email addresses. So you're gonna collect the email address, and in that way you're gonna start collecting leads. Later, what you can do with that information is that once that person put the email address and everything, they're gonna go to a thank you page. In that thank you page, you can tell them, hey, if you want, you're gonna receive like, let's say that you're giving a free training. You're gonna receive the free training in your email, and in that training, you can give them like the training, right? And at the end of the training, you're gonna give them your offer. something like that. This is how actually I'm doing with one of my funnels. I provide people like value. I teach them how to do X, Y, and Z. And once they know how to do it, if they need more help, what I basically tell them, hey, you need more help, just reach out to me with a phone call. Simple as that. That is my offer, a call, if they need more help. And of course, the main goal of this is to provide something of high valuable for them, okay? If you're doing like a training, if you're giving a lead magnet and your lead magnet is a training, you need to make sure that the training is high valuable, because that's how that person is gonna perceive you. You just give them something crappy, something that is useless, they won't call you, okay? They won't call you, or they won't get your product or your service, okay? So the lead generation funnel, give something for free in exchange for personal information from that potential customer. Now, the other type of funnel that you can use is a webinar funnel. And the main goal of this webinar funnel is pretty simple. You just give a presentation. Let's say that you are a specialist, a dental specialist, or a plastic surgeon specialist, or any other kind of specialist. You give a presentation about a specific topic, and let's say that you have products that can help a person through that, maybe a specific illness or disease or problem that this person is facing. You have product or services that can help that person. So you give the offer, you promote this product at the end of the presentation, and the goal is to get a sale. Okay, that is pretty simple. That's how it works, a webinar funnel. So you have like a confirmation page, like a registration page where you put your information. Then you're gonna go to the other step that is the waiting room. And the waiting room is basically you waiting for the presentation to start. And normally in this waiting room, you're gonna see a countdown timer with let's say 15 minutes until the presentation starts, something like that. Then you go to the presentation page, the webinar page, you see the presentation. If you like the offer, you want to buy it, you can click a button, you can go to the order form to purchase the product or the service, and then you get to the last step, that is the order confirmation page, where it's basically thank you for getting this product, something like that. So that is basically how a webinar funnel works, and it's ideal for you. Let's say that, as I mentioned at the beginning, the way that you can use this is, let's say that you are a professional and a specialist in your field, in your niche market. You can give like a presentation about a specific topic, and then at the end of that presentation, just promote one of your product or your services, right? Your offer. Simple as that. That's how you can start using a webinar funnel. Now, the other type of funnel that you can use is an application or call funnel. And the main goal of this is just to get on the phone with that potential customer, and that you make a sale, that you close the sale on the phone. So this is ideal for you if you have some kind of high ticket service that maybe it costs up to $1,000, right? It's ideal for this type of high ticket product or services that you have a personal interaction with this potential customer, with the client, okay? So the way that it works is pretty simple, okay? You can create a page that normally have a video, some copywriting, and a form with some questions where you're gonna ask the person like, hey, what do you do? In what stage of your business you are into? Why do you want to apply? You know, different type of question that is going to help you identify if that person is ideal to work with your business. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to be wasting your time or that person's time if at the end they don't have like the financial possibilities to get your service, okay? So it's super important that you have these kind of things in order for you to filter the right people for your offer. You can create a form with the questions that is going to help you filter the right client, right? Then that person is going to complete the form. They're going to go to a scheduling page for them to choose the best time and date to have the call, and then a confirmation page just to confirm that they have scheduled a call with you. Simple as that. 3 steps, You can make this even smaller with 2 steps, whatever is that is best for you, but normally that's how an application call funnel works. And the last type of funnel is an email funnel. And this is something that you can use with the other funnels that I just mentioned, because you can apply this. It's super important for your business and for the success of your other funnels as well, right? So the main goal of this email funnel is just basically to build trust, to follow up with the people that haven't gotten your product or service. Okay, so you need to build rapport with this person. You need to provide more value, and of course in these emails you also gonna send them like your offer of the same product or service, or maybe you have another product that is new, and you can offer that product or service as well. So as I said, the main goal of this is just basically for you to build trust. You can share different type of things, like for instance, I always recommend my clients to try to connect with their audience in a personal way. You can share them a history about yourself. That way that person is going to be connecting more, not just with your brand, but with you as a person, which is super important when it comes to building trust. You can provide them more value about that specific topic that they were interested about, and the reason that they get into your funnel is because they were looking to get more value from you, because they find you as an expert in a specific niche. Okay, so the email funnel is just basically follow-up emails. You can complement this with other type of funnels. You can use this email to send this user back to the other step, to the last step of the funnel, where they make the portion, where they basically give you money. So that is the main goal of email funnel, and super important that you implement these, guys, because trust me, most people, it's not that they don't want to get your product, it's just that it's not the right time for them to get it at that moment, but they gonna get it. If you keep being in contact with this person, providing, as I said, building trust, providing more value, trust me, sooner or later this person is gonna buy. So email funnels, super important that you implement them with the other funnels that I just mentioned. So basically that's it, guys. Those are the 5 types of funnels that I wanted to share with you today. I hope that you are clear about how they work. But if you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me, send me a message in Instagram with a DM, or you can also comment below if you're watching this on YouTube, okay? Feel free to comment, right? To ask questions. And besides that, if you want us to build like a funnel for you, to help you decide which funnel is ideal for your offer, for your business, we can perfectly do that. You have to go to jordanvelasquez.com/call, and let's just have a friendly conversation, and let's see how we can help you out. Actually, guys, if you go to that page, this is actually the start of my call funnel, so you can see how everything works, and we can create something like this for your business as well. And basically that's it, guys. I hope that you have liked this video, and see you in the next one.